Hi guys, Julie coming to you from the beachside reno in Safety Bay, and I just thought I'd do a quick walk through before settlement because the staging furniture will be coming out tomorrow. So just give you a quick summary of what was done. It was a very dark house, so this patio out here was very dark. We installed some clear sheets so that we got some light through, and they had it very closed off with colour bond closing everything in as well. So we've opened that up so that it brings some light into the house, which is really nice. Coming through into the master bedroom, this was just all closed off with sliding door, sort of like robe doors, I suppose, even though there's only the robe recess. So coming through into here in the ensuite, it's a very small ensuite, and when you walked in, the ceiling height was at eave height, so it was very low, very tiny room and very low ceiling. So what we did is we raised the ceiling here so that it followed the roof line. So it's actually a sloping ceiling now, and it just gives it that extra height as you walk in. The room itself hasn't changed, the layout's the same, but just having that little bit of extra height as you walk in has made a huge difference. Obviously retiling and making it look nice and white, bright and modern has made a big difference as well. So coming through to the kitchen, once again, it was very dark because of the lack of light coming through here. So now it's actually really quite an appealing kitchen with plenty of light coming through, overlooking a beautiful patio area now. Didn't look like that before, that's for sure. And coming through here, you couldn't even see inside this room. There was no light, and there was all colour bond down the side between the house and the fence, so there was no light coming through there either. And each bedroom had different tiles, so it was all very not nice. Roller shutters on these windows were all closed, so once again it was very dark. Now it's really nice and bright. Looking out onto the backyard, I'm having a bit of a struggle keeping the lawn green at the moment. I've had a lot of 40-degree days, but all in all, it's now a beautiful family home. Before we got it, it was a rat-infested dark cave. So very happy with how it's turned out. Looks beautiful. Just getting the final touches done on the aircon today before settlement so that it's all nice and new and working for the new owners. And it's going to be a lovely family home for the new people to move into. Well, thanks for watching the journey on this one, and I can't wait to show you my next one when I get it. Bye.